I'm going to be tuning in some stations on this Radiola 20. But before I start, if I decide to use a horn speaker or another type of 1920s speaker, I always check to make sure that the rib or the red rib is on the positive side. This radio has 6 controls, these 2 large dials, and these 4 controls up front. Now, as I'm tuning the radio, I'm going to put this wiring diagram in the lower right-hand corner, and as I make an adjustment with one of the controls, I'm going to light up the appropriate one in the wiring diagram.
And in the nation's capital, agencies will be closed Thursday. Ground travel been treacherous there as well. Snow plows really had to pull over for a while because the snow was so heavy. We'll check the forecast for the Jersey Shore and the Poconos next.
Albright College's accelerated degree program, lifelong learning, lifelong opportunities, and lifelong relationships. Meet Jessica Earhart and the relationships she made.
My classmates were great. 2 of them I still keep in contact. They had a little baby shower for me. They were great support through it.
Complete your major requirements in 24 months with Albright's innovative accelerated degree completion program while you continue to work. And in Jessica's case,
I mean, they helped me through my son's life. So it's kind of neat. Just kind of look at them as
especially in the return game,
the Houston Texans signed coach Gary Kubiak to a 2-year contract extension through 2012. In 2009, Kubiak's 4th as head coach in Houston. The Texans were 9-7, first winning record in franchise history. They're still looking for their first playoff berth. On SportsCenter Nightly, this is ESPN Radio and ESPNRadio.com. Good to have you along with us.
Anyone care to guess where the proposed cuts are? Of course, it's always in schools and prisons to scare you into signing up on tax increases. Handing it over to Neil Borch next, here, where Charlotte comes from.
News Talk 1110, WBT.
What's the main reason you might hesitate to buy a pre-owned car?
As in the country's #1. A dedicated standalone news facility.
Earliest winter ever in some parts of the country, with a second blizzard in less than a week in the Midwest and Mid-Atlantic. It shut down highways, knocked out power, and kept millions of people off the roads and home from work. For those who did venture outside, it was not an easy trip. Mike DiNardo, KYW reports from southern New Jersey.
Snow-covered roads and blinding blowing snow make difficult driving conditions. Bill from Burlington, he didn't want to give his last name, found Route 130 at Marlton Pike and Pensauken.
My brakes just locked up.
They locked up, and what happened?
Well, what happened is that, a car was coming through the intersection, and, I swerved to miss the car. And
fortunately, the fall fell away from Bill's Subaru Outback. He wasn't hurt.
Storm put a real crimp on air travel to real nature nest. Thousands of flights were canceled through Washington. Passengers who were bumped from those canceled flights may now have some real trouble scheduling.
The first flight out they can get maybe 4, 5, or 6 days from now, so that's a terrible thing. And then many vacations or getaways have been put on hold.
NASA is trying to work through two problems with Space Shuttle Endeavour, a cracked thermal tile and a ceramic ring that's jutting out near a window. Both problems spotted during inspections prior to docking with the International Space Station. Mission managers don't think either problem is extremely serious, but they need to take a closer look at it.
It is now 11:30 in the evening. The antenna that I'm using in this video consists of 6 alligator clips. I'm now going to retune the radio to a station in the Midwest.
Once held by President Obama.
If you're on the side of truth and justice as you say you are, and if this was a crime spree like you claim it was, then don't hide behind technicalities. Play all the tapes.
His corruption trial starts. Third, Blagojevich was in federal court in Chicago today to enter another plea of not guilty because prosecutors revised the earlier indictment. The revision comes because the U.S. Supreme Court is reviewing one of the laws used in that indictment. KMOX News Time, 11:06.
Garage doors need preventive maintenance. Make the choice to call Overhead Doors today.
This is Scott Mosby, host of the KMOX Home Improvement Show. Overhead Door Company of St. Louis has earned my respect and is the only company of its kind that I endorse. Don't find out the hard way about the preventive